Hi, BJ.
Good morning.
So today I thought we could talk about your favorite food. And I know you have a real sweet tooth. And did you have some favorite treats when you were growing up?
Yes, the first thing I learned to cook, I think, was fudge.
Fudge, chocolate fudge?
Chocolate fudge.
And do you still make it?
I still make it.
And how do you make it?
2 cups of sugar, half a cup of milk, butter the size of an egg, and vanilla and nuts.
Aha. So now you said butter the size of an egg. Really?
Yeah,
Well, what
Yeah.
size egg?
I don't know. An egg's pretty much, they aren't too much different, so how many ounces would that be? Probably a quarter of a quarter of a quarter of
A quarter of a cup?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any fudge right now?
No.
Oh, goodness. So maybe we should stop this interview and go make some.
Yes, right. We can
Okay?
do that.
Let's do that. We'll go make some of your chocolate fudge.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Okay,
Thanks, BJ.
you're welcome.